Welcome back to our educational journey, where knowledge is the compass guiding our way. Ladies and gentlemen, pay heed to what I am saying, and listen to it carefully. You should understand it well that the greatest blessing of God, upon which you express gratitude and appreciation, is dependent on knowledge. If there is no knowledge, this blessing cannot be obtained. And even if a little knowledge is acquired, the constant danger of straying due to ignorance remains. If a person does not know the difference between Islam and disbelief or the distinction between Islam and polytheism, it is similar to a person walking in the dark. It is possible that while walking on a straight path, he may inadvertently turn towards another path, and he may not even realize that he has deviated from the right path. It is also possible that somewhere along the way, he encounters a deceiver and the deceiver tells him, "Hey, you have lost your way in the darkness. Come, I will guide you to your destination." The helpless traveler in the darkness can see with his own eyes which way is the right path. Therefore, he may inadvertently give his hand to the deceiver, and the deceiver will lead him astray from one place to another. These dangers arise for such a person because he has no light, and he cannot see the signs of his own path. If he has light, he will not lose his way, and no one else can mislead him. Let's draw a parallel with this. The biggest danger for a Muslim, if any, is that they are unaware of the teachings of Islam. They themselves do not know what the Quran teaches and what guidance Prophet Muhammad has provided. Due to this ignorance, they themselves can go astray, and other deceivers can also mislead them. But if they have the light of knowledge, they will see the straight path of Islam at every step of life. At every step, they will recognize the deviations of disbelief, polytheism, misguidance, and sin, which come in between. By recognizing these deviations, they can avoid them, and when they encounter someone leading them astray, they will understand that this person is a deceiver. They should refrain from following such a person. In essence, the message is that knowledge is the light that guides a person on the right path, and ignorance is the darkness that can lead them astray. It is crucial for every individual to seek knowledge and understand the teachings of Islam to stay on the path of righteousness and avoid being misled. Thank you for tuning in and being a part of our journey. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching. Join our community of passionate viewers and subscribe today to stay inspired and never miss out on our latest content.